Kitty Cap here, just do the tips and repairs, and I want to show you what this little wrench is used for your airbrush. And we've got the airbrush already stripped down for time. We took the tail piece off and the needle out, which is down here. And what you want to do is right there, there's a little slot here on this needle point right there, and you turn it counterclockwise to take this off. That's the needle tip right there. I hope you can see it. See it right there? And once you take that off, make sure you don't lose it, because you only get one. Put it in a bowl. You can take a small wire brush like this and go in there and clean with Windex and get all the gunk out of this chamber right here up to the bowl right here. So that's what I want to show you today, and I hope you're having a great day. And thanks for watching, and we're just going to put this right back together again. We're going to put the needle back in so we don't lose it. Make sure the nut is loose to do that. You don't want to bend the needle in any way. There we go, like that. And it goes in like that, and then you tighten down the nut like this. I'm sorry I'm not displaying this correctly to you, but then you put the tail cap on. Okay, that goes in there like that, and that screws on like that. This is, you adjust it here at the end for your paint flow. It's a very good brush. And then you put your nozzle cap on right here. Be very careful. And screw it on like that. I don't have a wrench for this. They don't supply wrenches for nozzle caps for this type. But that's how you do it. And I know I already said have a good day and subscribe and all that stuff, but please ring in the notification bell and have a great day anyway. Thanks for watching.